Hello everybody, I'm Grimace, and I'll be playing 5 Nights with Mac tonight. I am here with... Psych everybody, it's me, Luigi Eden. Today, we are going to be playing 5 Nights with Mac tonight, remastered with BoyBlam123. Say hi.
Welcome to Mac tonight.
Alright, we'll be starting it. It's shift tonight. It's shift tonight. Local McDonald's restaurant and need security guard to work night shifts to the beat to our behavior going on overnights. The McDonald's recently as well having a few new sets of animatronic characters that as well need to be mentioned. Alright, anyways, let's get this started. Bam! Let's go. Night one. Oh, old VHS.
We're meet Ronald McDonald and his demonic friends. Demonic moon bear. The demonic
moon pie.
Purple doo-doo.
Grimace.
The demonic hair. The demonic burger stealer. And finally, the demonic
chicken.
Alright.
With Grimace.
Grimy Ice. How about Grimy Ice?
G'day. This is Chris here. You may remember me.
Hi, Chris.
Good night, Mac.
Again, I'd just like to thank you for taking a night shift job, seeing as how no one else would. This position is very
Oh, it's Mac tonight.
How about Mac to do?
The drive-through. You could drive away. He's just like, room.
Mac to do. Mac to do. We're gonna keep on calling Mac tonight Mac to do because he's a demonic moon. First,
Look at the drive-through window. Click it. Room.
what are you supposed to do? If Grimace is going back in the woman's room.
What the heck?
What is that?
A poster with some people at McDonald's.
For big smoke. Grimace!
Grimace. Oh crap, Mac tonight. Okay, we just gotta be careful. Grimy Grimace.
Daddy
Daddy
Grimace.
Grimace.
Fatty.
I thought you said Daddy Grimace.
How about Fatty PVZ?
Oh.
That's toasted, my boy. That you ate it.
Oh crap, he's coming. Look at the moon.
Oh god.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Actually, I actually saw like when I wrote Mac Tonight Discord, there was like instead of replacing the C, there was like Mac Tonight's face on it. Where'd he go?
No more Mac tonight allowed. No Mac tonight allowed.
Oh god, he's coming.
God no. God no.
This is probably gonna be easy. First night's not really that bad, but if Mac Tonight gets me, I swear. Get out of here, Mac Tonight. Here's your moon. Here's your moon burgers. There's Mac Tonight. Wait, did you literally see him at the drive-thru window?
What, Mac tonight?
He was right there and I just drove him away.
No, I didn't see him. If I saw Mac tonight, I'll just jump up there and I'll say, shut the heck up. And let the DreamWorks boy sit on the moon.
Smacked in. Oh! Oh, he's coming.
God, he's coming. He's coming.
I
I
know.
have the two fingers right. I'm gonna put the two fingers on his sunglasses face. Take that, Mr. Mac tonight.
Moon pie.
Yeah. Pie. Moony pie. Moony pie.
Okay, Mac Knight's there. So far, Mac Knight has just appeared from the window.
Okay.
Okay, we just gotta be careful. Oh, I see the time. 4 a.m. Woo!
Yeah, we can do this. We can do this. Oh. You can hear him talking?
Yeah? Oh no, he's already coming, but I gotta put on this music to make him go away.
Is it like Five Nights at Freddy's 3?
Well, kinda. Wait, have you noticed those on the computers?
They look edgy.
They look a bit like scratch coding.
Right. God, I'm scared. I'm hugging my blankie.
Are you okay?
I'm scared a little bit.
I thought you were gonna hug Coco.
I'm hugging my blankie. I'm not scared. Just don't worry. I'm just trying to hug my blankie for the best. Don't judge them, the character from Charlie Brown.
Where's Mackie?
Hey,
Mackie!
Mackie Mac, come get some of the booty. You can't get us. We're at 5 a.m.
Yeah!
We're at 5 a.m. We're at 5 a.m. You can't catch us.
Yeah, you can't catch us!
You can't get us. You can't get us.
What the window? Get out of here! Take your moon burger, which is your face. Where's he? Oh, he's right there! Oh my god, he's right there.
Oh my god. I see him. I see Slender Man. Max Slender.
Max Slender! Max Slender! Yeah!
Yeah!
Alright.
Take that.
Yeah, take that. Anyways, guys, I hope you like part 1 of Five Nights with Max Knight Remastered. And we'll see you in the next video. But we'll see you in part 2, but wait.
Chris.
There's a cutscene.
Well, lately I've been wanting to talk about my payment situation.
What do you mean?
Well, life's been rather hard for my daughter and I at the moment. We've hardly any money to get any food or such. I was hoping for maybe a raise, just so I can make ends meet.
Well, Chris, I'd love to help, but so far even we have a low budget right now, and the McDonald's will be closed until then.
Closed? What do you mean?
Well, seeing how those Mac Tonight commercials recently aired, we got more attention from the locals, and seeing how the people love the characters, I thought I'd order the place some fresh new animatronic characters to keep the customers entertained and to bring in more people.
How does this include the McDonald's being shut down until the...
We have to work on improvements, new stages, and lighting. This can take weeks because of delivery and maintenance. So, I'm sorry, Chris. You'll have to find some other job to work at until this place is finished.
But this was the only job I could get. Nowhere else would hire me.
You'll have to see what you can do, Chris. I'm sorry.
Okay. So basically, Chris says he doesn't have enough money to buy food for him and his daughter. Well, anyways, guys, hopefully you like part 1, and we'll see you in part 2. Peace out, everybody. Shut up, Ronald. Shut up, Ronald. All right, bye, everybody. Bye.